he got home before she did. So far as she's aware, he'd been there the whole time.
Sorry to interrupt, sir. So, Saturday night.
Okay, now this is a much more complicated one because we've got minuses, but we just go through the same method. So the gradient is equal to, I can do minus 22 or minus 10, it doesn't matter too much. I'll start with minus 22, subtract minus 10, and because we started with the 22, we must start next time with the 6, subtract minus 3. So we've got minus 22. Now when we subtract a minus, that becomes an add, so it becomes add 10. And this will be minus 6, add 3. Now if we want, we can swap that round to make it 10 take away 22 and 3 take away 6. Right, we have two numbers here, we could subtract. You have to do the biggest number minus the smallest number, and then we'll think about whether it's a minus or a plus. So 22 take away 10 is 12, but the bigger number is the minus, so the answer is minus 12. And here the bigger number is 6, 6 is bigger than 3, so 6 take away 3 is 3, the bigger number is minus, so it's minus 3. Now minus 3 into minus 12 goes 4 times, simply 4 times. So we now know the gradient is worth 4. So we now know that y is equal to 4x plus c. If we take, we'll take this point here, take that point here. So the y is minus 10, that's minus 10, is equal to 4 times minus 3 plus c. So we've now got minus 10 is equal to minus 12 add c. Now I'm going to do a complete swap. So I'm going to write this is equal to minus 10. I find that a bit easier. So minus 12 add c is equal to minus 10. So c is equal to minus 10 add 12. So c is equal to, we can swap those round to make it 12 minus 10, which is 2. So that gives us the final answer that y is equal to 4x, because that's the gradient, 4 is the gradient, plus 2. And we can check. 4 times that number is minus 12. If we add 2, that makes minus 10. 4 times 6 is minus 24. Minus 24 add 2 makes minus 22. So this is the equation of the line. Now when you've got minuses, it is much more difficult, but we can see that's correct.